Alright guys, so we're back to our problem. We are ready to come up with a really good plan. Remember on the U, we were finding out how much change Riley's going to get back after paying for all of her items with her $20. So the first step, this is a two-step problem. The first step is that we're going to need, I'm going to write my equation on this one first. We need to add up all of her items. Alright, so she has $6.75, that was for the book, plus then she wanted 2 bookmarks. So I need to make sure I add 75 cents in here twice because she buys 2 of them. And then she's going to buy a poster for $3. Alright, so after I add all of these up, I then need to take it away from 20. Uh-oh, I'm going to write it over here because 20 is our total. It's got to come first. So 20 minus whatever all these items cost will give us our change. And I'm going to put a C for change. So what would this look like in a strip diagram? Let's look at this. Okay, we already know the total amount of money she has is 20. Alright, now I'm going to add up all of these items. They go together with the leftover amount of change over here. Okay, this is going to represent how much money she spent at the book fair. So $6.75, $0.75, $0.75, and $3. Okay, so we're going to add all of these up, subtract it from 20, and it's going to give us this little bit amount of change over here that she has left. Okay, so now let's solve it. So like I said, the first thing you've got to do is add those up. Now, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 different numbers. You probably should draw your little decimal points first and then fill in around them. So $6.75, $0.75, $0.75, and then the last one's just $3, so it would be in 0 cents. Alright, so when I add 5, 10, 15, 3 7s, that'd be 7, 14, 21, 22. I'm going to bring my decimal point down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so she spent $11.25 on her book, her 2 bookmarks, and her poster. But that's not what we want to know. We want to know the change, the amount of change she will get back. So I'm going to take $20 and 0 cents, you might need to add that on, minus $11.25. So I'm going to be subtracting across some zeros. Alright, so I'm going to go all the way over here, and I'm going to borrow. Make that a 9, oh, sorry, make that a 9, make that a 9, and that becomes a 10. Alright, so 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, decimal point, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 1 minus 1 is nothing. Alright, so she's going to get back $8.75. That is her change. So we need to say, why did we add, and then why did we subtract? So I added because I needed to find the total spent. And that goes back to the word right here. She's spending money. Alright, she's buying these items. The total spent at the book fair. And then we need to say why we subtracted. I subtracted because I was finding how much change she got back. Alright guys, if you missed any of this, I want you to fix it so you have it for Friday to use on your quiz.